Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Windows lock screen, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, and then scroll down, go to policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now, if you find a personalization key under Windows, then well and good. If not, then right click on it, select new key and name it personalization. Now in the right pane we will create a div 32-bit entry named no lock screen. New div 32-bit entry named no lock screen. Right? If we double click on it and make the value 1, this will disable the lock screen, and if I double click on it and change the value data to 0 and hit enter, then it means that the lock screen will be present. So no lock screen means if this is enabled, there will be no lock screen. If it is disabled, the lock screen will be there. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.